Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Garama And Madundung from Steel of Brainrot, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the salt shaker. So we're going to, on the left hand side, draw in a curved line from left to right. On both sides here, we're just going to curve this line down slightly towards the bottom, ending that at the same distance. On the top, on both sides, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out and down on a diagonal towards the bottom. We're going to flip over on the right-hand side, replicating that. Let's close this off on the bottom now with a curved line from left to right. Moving up in the center from the edge here, leaving a gap, we're going to bring this line over towards the right. And now let's draw in the face. So right in the center, stepping over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down, up, and over. Let's do the same thing on the right. I'm just going to draw that at the same size. Now from that corner, we're going to again bring this line up, down, and then in towards the middle. Doing the same thing on the right. Now let's move underneath for the eye. Stepping in, we're going to curve this line over towards the side. And then moving back in, we're just going to curve this line over and across. Let's draw in the pupil now. So we're going to draw in a half circle directly underneath our eye here. On the inside corner, let's draw in a small circle for the highlight. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right-hand side. And then now let's just color in our pupils black. Now for the nose, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve a small diagonal line coming down. On the left-hand side, let's arch this line around and then in. In the middle, we're just going to curve this line down and then back up on the right. And then again, just curving this over and through on the side. We're going to draw in a small frown here. So on the left-hand side, arching this line over. And then moving underneath, adding in a small detailed line, replicating that right in the middle. Let's draw on the legs, leaving a gap from the center on both sides, curving this line out, ending that at the same height. Let's close off the back of the foot for the heel. So we're going to curve this line in, around, and through. For the toe here, we're going to arch this line around, back in. Let's step over for the second toe, curving this line back in. Let's move across again, replicating that. And then one last time, curving this around, in and through towards the top. Let's close this off on the side here. So we're going to bring this line in, up and through towards the bottom. And now we're just going to draw in some of the leg hair here. So we're going to draw in 3 diagonal lines on the back. And then we're going to come across and draw in 4 diagonal lines on the outside. Let's draw in 3 on the top. Let's draw in 4, moving down underneath that. Let's draw in 5 here. We can scatter these out. They don't have to be perfect, exactly like mine. Let's move underneath, drawing in another 4. Let's move across now from the top. We're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. On the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, blending that together. In the middle here, we're going to curve this line out and up on the right. Stepping down, we're going to curve that around, back in. Moving over, we're going to replicate that, making this one wider. And then again, we're going to replicate that, bringing this over and in on a diagonal. Let's step across on the left-hand side. We're going to curve this around and up. Moving over again, curving this around, back through. And then again, one last time, curving this around and in towards the edge. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this down and in towards the bottom, ending this at the same height as the left. And then we're going to replicate that on the right as well. So we're going to bring this down, ending that at the same height. Now from here, let's close that off with a curved line directly on the bottom. Let's draw on the eyebrow. So from the center, stepping over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this down, up and over. We're going to do the same thing on the right-hand side as well. Now from that corner, we're going to follow that shape. So we're going to bring this up, down, and then back in. Let's draw on the eye. So stepping underneath here, we're going to curve this diagonal line out on both sides. Let's draw on the bottom of the eye here. So we're going to bring this down, across, and then back up on the side. Let's draw in a half circle underneath for the pupil. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in that pupil black. Let's draw on our nose. On the left and right hand side, we're going to curve this line in, leaving a gap directly in the center. And then we're going to close that off with a small curved line. Now on both sides from the edge, we're going to curve this line out on a diagonal. Let's draw on the frown, drawing in an arch line. And then stepping in towards the middle, replicating that even smaller. Let's draw on the legs now, leaving a gap in the center. We're going to curve this line out on the left and right hand side. Let's draw on the heel of the foot, bringing this line out, around, back in. Now for the first toe, curving this over and through. Let's replicate that again, moving across. Let's step over. And then again, one more time, bringing this around and through towards the top. Let's close off the rest of the leg, arching this around, back in on the side. Now let's draw on the leg here again. So again, on the inside, just 3 diagonal lines coming in. Stepping over on the outside, we're going to draw in 4. On the chop, let's draw in 3 across. Let's move down and draw in 4. Let's move down again, drawing in another 4, scattering them over the leg. Let's move underneath. We're going to draw in another 4, just scattering those across. And then we're just going to draw in 2 on the bottom. And that is it. That's how you draw Garama and Madundung. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.